This video was created and brought to you by ManageMax. We manage condominiums, HOAs, manufactured housing and apartment communities throughout Southeast Michigan. We're a growing company, and maybe we'll get to your area soon if we're not there yet. We create these videos to share industry insights with current and prospective clients. There will be an opportunity to connect with us at the end, so stick around to the end of the video. Now let's dive in. The board thought they were covered. They weren't, and it cost them everything. I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid their mistake. Because here's the truth. Your insurance policy isn't protecting you the way you think it is. And the sooner you understand that, the better off you'll be. Here's what we've learned from managing communities. Too many boards discover their coverage gaps at the worst possible time. When a claim gets denied, they're shocked. But we have insurance, they say. Here's what they don't know. Standard policies exclude earth movement. That means sinkholes, landslides, even foundation settling. Water damage, only if it's sudden and accidental. That slow leak that caused mold over 6 months, not covered. The HOA that couldn't rebuild their clubhouse because ordinance and law coverage wasn't included. The condominium association that lost $300,000 because their policy excluded certain types of water damage. These aren't edge cases. They happen to communities just like yours. Your policy has gaps. The question is, do you know where they are? Most people never read past the first page of their policy. Big mistake. Start with the exclusions page. This is where insurance companies tell you exactly what they won't pay for. Look for these red flags: flood, earth movement, gradual damage, building interruption. If you see them, you've found your weak spots. Next, check your coverage limits against today's replacement costs. Construction costs have skyrocketed. That $2 million building you insured 3 years ago, it might cost $3.5 million to replace today. Your insurance company won't volunteer to increase your coverage. That's on you. Here's what matters: actual cash value versus replacement cost, your deductible structure, and whether you have guaranteed replacement cost coverage. These three things will determine whether you rebuild with insurance proceeds or have to pay out of pocket. Insurance companies have one job: pay out as little as possible. Their favorite excuse: lack of maintenance or pre-existing condition. Your defense is simple: documentation that proves your community is well maintained. Monthly photos of your property, every maintenance receipt organized by date, professional inspection reports, even when nothing's wrong. When that pipe bursts, you want to prove it was sudden, not the result of neglect. The communities that get their claims paid have maintenance files 3 inches thick. The ones that don't have a shoebox full of random receipts they can't find when they need them. Documentation isn't exciting, but it's the difference between getting paid and watching your reserves disappear. Here's what you do right now. Call your insurance agent and schedule a policy review this week. Bring your current replacement cost estimates and ask about every exclusion that could affect your property. Don't wait until you're filing a claim to discover what's not covered. The conversation you have with your agent today could save you hundreds of thousands of dollars tomorrow. Your insurance company makes money by collecting premiums and minimizing payouts. Your job is to make sure that when disaster strikes, you're not the one who gets minimized. The difference between properties that survive claims and those that don't isn't luck, it's preparation. If you found this perspective valuable, we invite you to connect with us. Facebook viewers, like our page and follow us for regular updates. Feel free to message us directly with your questions or community challenges. Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for helpful links. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.